Can I slide this? Yup. Yup. Yup.
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
What's up, YouTube? This might be another bad idea, but it's snowing again, so you know we already gotta go drifting. It's not too bad though, so hopefully I won't get stuck or anything. Last time I came out here, I fucking ran into my garage door, so hopefully we don't do that today. I don't know where we're going. We're just going around and hopefully try not to get stuck. You guys are wondering, this is my 2000 BMW 328 Ci. I redid a whole bunch of stuff on it, refreshed the motor and whatnot, and it's my little daily until I turbo the RSX. But I want to go left and I want to go into this neighborhood that I went in to the last time. Oh shit, I shouldn't have went left. Look at this massive hill. Hold on, I gotta get speed. Hopefully we can make it. I think we got it. Yeah, we good. Hills are very scary to me because I can just get stuck on them and I don't know what I will do. As like a little review for this car, I really like this car. I've been doing DoorDash in it for a little bit and it's nice and comfortable. I am having an issue. I think that one of the wheels is bent, and when I hit 60, like the steering wheel wobbles a lot, so that's no bueno. But hopefully that is just the wheel and it's not some big suspension part, because I had this whole car apart and I looked at all the suspension and all that, and the passenger ball joint is kind of bad, but it's runnable, so that could be the issue too. But I don't know, and even it kind of sounds like a wheel bearing, but I just don't know. But we're still gonna run it anyways. It doesn't wobble or any. Up until 60 it's very smooth, but once it hits 60 it's like whoa. But yeah, luckily we're not gonna go 60 for drifting, so my only problem is just getting stuck somewhere. I really don't want to get stuck, but I don't think it's too bad, so could have went, but safety first, right? And hopefully there's like a good amount of snow on the ground like how there was back there, to where I can just slide a little bit. Not seeing any snow. I'm gonna go up left here. Yeah, there's no snow in here. I guess I gotta go find somewhere else to go. Yeah, there's absolutely no snow in these. Well, that's a bus. Can't wait to start modding this car. I do really want to bag it, and that's probably going to be the end goal for it. I'm gonna just bag it, put it on some nice wheels, have it like that. Eventually, you know, I'm probably drifting it like how I will. It might turn into a drift car like eventually, but as for right now, it needs to go bag. But this neighborhood is no bueno. There is no snow on the ground. I can't drift this. What is this shit? I can't get jiggy with this shit.
What the fuck is this? You motherfuckers!
Can I help you, sir?
Yes, what is this? Huh? This is whack! I can't get jiggy with this shit!
I was just on the road and like, it's kind of weird. These back roads are supposed to be filled with snow and they're not, but the main roads are the ones that aren't plowed.
Give me my damn money back right now and I don't have no damn receipt.
Okay, so we're gonna go back out. Ooh, a little bit of slippage. One wheel peels. Hopefully I can make it up this hill. Should be straight. This hill doesn't look too bad. There we go. Again, like, I think one wheel is probably slipping. Or they're just like slipping a little bit. See, like, this is a main road and it's worse than that back road back there. How does that make sense? I really don't get how these main roads are worse than the back roads. Can somebody please explain? Like, look at this. I could be drifting this so nice if it was a back road and I wasn't afraid of cars coming and hitting me. I also kind of want to go get McDonald's. I'm kind of craving for a Big Mac, so we might have to go and cop me one of those. But like I said, I want to get some slides first. You know, I actually wanted to go to this spot back here. I'm a little bit afraid to go to it because I don't know if I'm supposed to be back there, but we're gonna see anyways. Look at this. Am I in the Antarctic? Like, why is the road so white and ashy? I want to keep going straight back there, but I don't think I'm allowed to, and it doesn't even look like it's really anything. Oh shit, I could probably go in there a little bit. We might have to go in there. I don't know what building that is, but who cares? We're going there on the way back. See how it is up here. Yeah, I think we're gonna just go back around, go do donuts in that little parking lot thing, and go get me a Big Mac and go back to the cribbo. What time is it? 4 o'clock? We're about to just make an illegal ass U-turn through here. Yep, that's how we do.
What are you doing?
I'm calling the police on you.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to slide this. It's really that open lift that's fucking me up. Cause like it'll snap, and I feel it like snap and catch grip. Like one tire will catch grip and one won't. And that's weird. I mean, it does just look like the back of this building, like Avis and Budget. So should I really care? And it is a nice open field or thing. Hopefully there's nothing like in the way. See, like, I feel a catch grip and it's just weird. Try to do a little line. Somebody in that car? Maybe I should be in first. Let's try first. Oh yeah, first is better. Ooh, can't go there because I catch grip. Okay. There's somebody over there getting into the car. Trying to do like a line. I don't know what line to do though. Might just do a little figure 8 here. Oh, that's kind of a spin. Here's the grip. See, that grip fucks me up, bro. I'm gonna try to go around this way. Grip. Oh, oh, don't spin. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. And then we're going to catch the grip here and it's going to fuck us up. Yep. Alright, that might be it. Alright, we out. Yeah. We gotta go get our Big Mac. That's so fun. So fun. Can I slide this? Yup. 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 That's how you do it. Well, I don't really know if that was gonna be, that might be like a little tiny video or whatever. I'm gonna still continue to record, and if anything happens, something happens, but if not, that might be the end of the video. If you guys watched it, I did kind of wanted to get, next time I go out, I'm gonna get like some outside views of the car, because I do want to get like, see how much angle I'm getting and whatnot, and like just see how it is from outside of the car. Whoa, getting a little slippery. Let me chill out here. But I do want to see how it looks from like outside of the car, and I was gonna do it there, but like I feel like I was there for a little bit too long. And see, like there's the cops right there, even though they weren't back there, but still. I just felt like I was kind of there for a bit too long, and there was, I don't know if there was somebody in that truck, but there was definitely somebody getting in the car. Even though I don't really give two fucks, I just was out. So that's what it is. So yeah, if you like that, you know, little hood rat shit like that, doing little hoon stuff like that, there'll definitely be more, especially when it starts to get warm and I bring back out my car. I'm definitely this is my car too, but my RSX, there's anybody here? I'm about to slide this too. Hold up. Ooh, 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 ooh. Alright, I'm getting a little carry away. But yeah. Well, I was saying, when it gets warm again and I bring back out the RSX, I'm definitely gonna have a whole bunch of people that I just run, and there's a lot of problems with it that I need to fix, like little stuff, but it still runs and drives, and I'll still beat the shit out of it. But I don't want to beat the shit out of it because I think it needs a new computer, but whatever. Anyways, neither here or there. That's for another video. But thank you for watching, I guess. Can I slide this? All right. I'm getting carried away. I'm gonna end the video here. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe for more. And yeah, peace out.